Hello everyone, my name is Heather Autumn and welcome to my channel. So I should have left an hour ago, but I'm getting ready to drive an hour north, past Salem and all of that, to Amesbury, to the Cider Hill farm, because today they're doing live music and food and apple picking. I have some recipes I want to do, and the weather is beautiful, and I just kind of want to make the most of the outdoors while I can, because winter's up here, there's just nothing alive. So I'm going to set up this camera, and on the way up, hopefully we'll see some really great foliage because all of the leaves have changed colors. It's like a crayon box out there. It is beautiful with oranges and reds and yellows, and just fall is in full swing. I'm kind of hoping that if we get there fast enough, they might still be making breakfast at the farm, and I'd love to have like a cider donut or something like that. The cider donuts are like a huge thing up here. I hope you enjoyed the drive up here. It's really beautiful. I love trips to these farms because they're just so cute. I love their stores, and they usually have great food and stuff like that. So I can't wait to get out and show you what it looks like, especially with all these fall leaves. It is gorgeous. So I didn't have breakfast coming up here, and I'm starving, but they had some egg sandwiches in there as well as some hot coffee, or if you like cider, they have that too. Well, this is not a McDonald's breakfast sandwich. This is a legit large and in charge breakfast sandwich. Skip the breakfast coming up here and just eat here because they have cider donuts, they have all kinds of pastries and coffees and teas and cider and these monsters. So now that breakfast is done, I'm gonna go and see how much it costs to get some apples and also a hayride because this place is so pretty and the leaves are gorgeous, and I want you guys to all see that. I have my 1-peck bag, and we are gonna go for an apple that is called mutsu, and it's really good for baking and things like that. I think it's also balanced between being tart and sweet, so I think it'll be perfect. Ride does not go to the apple orchard. You gotta hoof it. So I'm walking up there now. But honestly, this is kind of nice because I get to take my time and just look around at all these gorgeous trees. We are here at the orchard, and so they have these little things. It looks like brooms with baskets at the end of them, and those are to get the apples more at the top of the tree. So I'm probably gonna grab one of those. I'm gonna try to record this one-handed. I don't know how that'll work out. Let's go pick some apples. And those are our mitsus up there. I don't know how well this will work, but let's try to get this one here. Hey, we got one. Nice, I hunted an apple. There's some really good ones up here. Try to get some of those. All right, I feel like there's a favorite one. Try to go for it. Hey, I'm not half bad at this. There we go. Wow, that's a pretty one too. Have you seen a prettier apple than this one? Now, while I love the ones at the top, I also have some here that I can just pick by hand. I'm always a fan of low-hanging fruit. For example, that guy. Yeah, I got that big guy. Oh, why is it so satisfying to pick apples? We still have quite a few to go. I only have 4 so far. It's taking so long because I'm trying to get the ones at the very top, unsoiled by grimy children fingers. That should tell you I'm not a mom right there. I feel like there should be a Jaws song. Da-da, 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 da-da. Oh no! Mine. I got a whole peck of these apples, and I'm gonna go and make them into something really cool in the next episode, so be sure to subscribe for that. But I'm gonna take all of these and I'm gonna go and throw them in the car because they're really heavy, and then we can start exploring the rest of the farm. I am now in line for the tractor ride. It's gonna take us in a giant loop around the grounds. They also have a corn maze here, but as a lover of Stephen King stories, I have seen and read Children of the Corn, and I'm good. I'm good. So despite the weather saying that there wasn't going to be any rain or clouds, there is very threatening looking clouds. They look very heavy with rain. So due to how it looks outdoors, I think it's time to head inside and check out the farm store. try one of those flights, you can actually buy the ciders that are here that correspond with that. So if you had a favorite one that you were like, oh my gosh, I can't live without, come in here, you can buy a whole bottle of it or several bottles of it. Interested in picking apples with the ravel, you can absolutely buy them here. It's the same kind. So I figured I'd show you what I got while I'm here. So I had to get some authentic maple syrup. You can tell because it's in the shape of a maple leaf. Next, I got this apple crisp mix, and it does not use the apples that I got today, so that will be a completely separate thing, but check back next week because I will be showing you what I'll be using those apples for. Next, I got this Blackberry Harvest. This is a sparkling cider using blackberries. It's made on site. It is the actual Cider Hill cider. So that'll be fun. And last but not least, I got this very tiny colander because I have a very large colander, but I don't have something that's meant for like single serving pieces of fruit. So I got that. So I'm gonna head home and decompress. I hope you had a lot of fun. This is a travel and food vlog. So if you like that kind of thing, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It all helps my channel and it lets you know when I have a new episode out or shorts. And every Monday at 7 p.m. I've been doing a Stardew Valley live. So if you are a fan of farming, please join me for those. I interact with the chat and people like you. It's a lot of fun. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next week with a new episode. All right, bye.